Adventure on a dime. Exploring America's free natural wonders. Embarking on an RV journey across the majestic landscapes of America doesn't have to mean draining your wallet at every turn. Hidden across this vast country are countless natural wonders where the price of admission is nothing more than the desire to explore and a readiness for adventure. These gems offer families, thrill seekers, and nature lovers alike the chance to immerse themselves in the unparalleled beauty of the great outdoors, all on a dime. So buckle up and let's set the GPS to free-spirited exploration as we uncover some of America's most breathtaking, wallet-friendly natural wonders. The enchantment of national forests. America's national forests are a treasure trove of scenic beauty, offering everything from towering forests and serene lakes to majestic mountains and meandering streams. Unlike their national park siblings, many national forests provide free access or require only a nominal fee for use. The vast expanse of these lands means you can find your own slice of wilderness to explore, whether it's hiking, wildlife watching, or simply finding the perfect spot for a picnic under the canopy of ancient trees. Spotlight on the White Mountain National Forest. Nestled in the northeastern United States, this natural wonder boasts some of the most breathtaking scenery in the region. From the awe-inspiring Mount Washington to the tranquil beauty of the Kankamaga Scenic Byway, adventure awaits at every turn. The call of the wild in BLM lands. The Bureau of Land Management, BLM, oversees a staggering array of public lands, many of which are open for exploration and recreation at no cost. These lands are diverse, ranging from rugged mountain ranges and arid deserts to wild rivers and remote wilderness areas. Boondocking, or dispersed camping, is often permitted, offering a way to truly get off the beaten path and immerse yourself in the untouched beauty of America's landscapes. Highlight: Valley of the Gods, Utah. This lesser-known cousin of Monument Valley offers stunning sandstone formations, wide-open skies, and a sense of serenity that's hard to match. It's a prime example of the natural beauty awaiting discovery on BLM lands. The allure of America's beaches. From the rugged coasts of the Pacific Northwest to the sun-kissed shores of the Gulf Coast, America's beaches offer a diverse array of seaside experiences. Many of these natural wonders are free to the public, offering endless opportunities for sunbathing, swimming, beachcombing, and simply soaking in the breathtaking vistas where the land meets the sea. Don't miss Padre Island National Seashore, Texas. This untouched stretch of Gulf Coast Barrier Island offers miles of pristine beaches accessible without an entrance fee. It's a haven for wildlife, including the endangered Kemp's Ridley sea turtle, and the perfect spot for those seeking a tranquil beach experience away from the crowds. The majesty of waterfalls. There's something truly magical about the sight and sound of water cascading over cliffs, and America's landscapes are dotted with these natural wonders. Many of the country's most stunning waterfalls are accessible for free, offering a refreshing escape into nature's embrace. A must-see, Multnomah Falls, Oregon. Located in the Columbia River Gorge, Multnomah Falls is a majestic sight and one of the tallest waterfalls in the country. A short, accessible hike takes you to a viewing bridge that offers the perfect vantage point to witness the power and beauty of the falls. The splendor of geological wonders. America's geological diversity is on full display in places where the Earth's history is written in the rocks. From the vivid landscapes of the southwest slot canyons to the ancient lava flows of the Pacific Islands, these wonders provide a fascinating glimpse into the planet's past, often with no cost to explore. Highlight: Antelope Canyon, Arizona. While the most famous sections of Antelope Canyon require guided tours, nearby areas on BLM land offer similar breathtaking slot canyon experiences without the fees. These lesser-known spots provide a serene environment to marvel at the intricate patterns and play of light that make these geological formations so captivating. The wilderness of the backcountry. For those willing to strap on a backpack and lace up their hiking boots, America's backcountry offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with nature in its most pristine form. Many areas offer free backcountry camping permits or ask for a nominal fee, allowing you to set up camp in the heart of the wilderness. It's a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and find solace in the tranquility of the great outdoors. Adventure awaits in the Adirondacks, New York. With over 6 million acres of forests, mountains, and waterways, the Adirondack Park is a backcountry enthusiast's dream. Free backcountry camping is allowed throughout much of the park, offering endless opportunities for adventure amidst the beauty of the eastern woodlands. The rich tapestry of state parks and local gems, while not always free, many state parks and local nature preserves offer low-cost access to some of America's most beautiful landscapes. From the rolling hills and vibrant fall foliage of the Northeast to the sun-drenched beauty of the Southwest deserts, these parks are a testament to the natural diversity that makes this country so unique. Discover Custer State Park, South Dakota. Known for its bison herds, clear mountain waters, and dramatic granite peaks, Custer State Park is a gem in the heart of the Black Hills. While there is a nominal entrance fee, the park offers a wealth of natural beauty and wildlife viewing opportunities that far exceed the cost of admission. The priceless value of nature exploring America's free natural wonders is a reminder that some of life's most enriching experiences don't carry a price tag. It's about the memories forged on the trails, the stories shared around the campfire, and the sense of awe in the face of nature's grandeur. So, as you chart your course through the great American landscape, remember that adventure awaits at every turn, ready to enrich your soul without emptying your pockets. Here's to the journey, the discoveries, and the undeniable joy of experiencing the great outdoors, on a dime.